Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify analytics with Triple Whale, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Shopify analytics with Triple Whale, start by logging into your Triple Whale account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, find the option to connect your Shopify store. Click on the Shopify integration link. You will be prompted to provide access to your Shopify store. Follow the instructions to grant the necessary permissions. After connecting, return to the Triple Whale dashboard. Locate the Analytics section on the dashboard. Here, you'll see options for various metrics. Choose the specific analytics data you want to restore. If you need historical data, make sure to specify the date range. Click on the Restore button. Wait for the system to process the request. Once complete, a notification will confirm the restoration. Review the restored analytics data for accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies, consult the support section for troubleshooting. To enhance your analytics, explore additional features within Triple Whale. Consider setting up custom reports for a better overview. Make use of any available tutorials for further guidance. Regularly revisit your Triple Whale dashboard to monitor changes. This will help in maintaining accurate and updated analytics information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.